Hello everyone, welcome back to the good stuff we've been doing. In the previous video, we discussed that if we have x plus a multiplying x plus b, so these are product of integral functions here. The end product will be x squared plus, here we'll be having a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Reason being that in this product, x squared will appear, like x will distribute with x here, and then secondly again a and b will distribute to each other, so that's how we have x squared and we have ab. But not only that, x will distribute with b here, and then a will distribute with x here, so we'll be having bx and ax, so combine them we'll get a plus bx. So if you are probably confused on why we are saying this, is because you should check the channel on theory of distribution that I did, the theory of distribution. I discussed all this there. So this is what we treated in the previous video, and we promised that we are going to work the case whereby we have three variables. Say we have x plus a multiplied by x plus b and then x plus c. So in this video we are going to fulfill that promise. And to do that, observe that just as before, in this product here, x we have to multiply each x here, so we are going to get, evidently we are going to get an x cubed. Let me know that equals to, let me just put the terms we're going to get. We'll be getting an x cubed first of all. Then what again are we getting? Well, of course a, b and c will distribute, so we'll be getting a, b, c. Then let's see that we are going to get x squared, but not just x squared, we're going to get x squared with something. How do we get x squared? We get x squared when we pick one x here and one x here, so two x's come out and combine. Here will not be getting another x because we have already gotten x cubed. Rather, we may combine the x with c, so we may have s squared c. We may have s squared c. Another way we may get s squared is that we may pick one x here. We may pick one x here and then one x here, and then the x squared will combine with a, so we may be getting x squared a. So what other way can we get the x that we need? Another way we could get the x is that we can pick one x here and then one x here, then that x combined will be, they will be getting the x squared b. So that is where we can get the x squared. And then what about the x? Only x, because I've discussed the case whereby we'll get the power of x to the third power, and the power of x is second power. What about x to the third power? So these guys are the same. So like this case is for x to the third power, this for the product, and this for the x to the second power. What about x to the single power 1? Here, this is how we form it. Let me take care of these guys here. This is how we form that product of x to the first power. We pick one x here, and then we combine with either b and c, but we cannot combine with x because we already discussed the case of x squared. So we want x combined with b and c. So for x here, it has to combine with either b, c, or we pick one x here, but they will combine with a and c. So x will combine with a and c, and then of course one x may be gotten out here, and they combine with a and b, so x may be combined with a and b. So these are the terms we can get, all of them. So let's arrange them neatly. How we can do this is, like I always say, we should just write it in ascending power. So if we do that, descending power, we'll be having x cubed, the highest power. Then we have a plus sign here. Here we'll be having the x squared, but we have here c, a and b, so we'll be having a plus b plus c multiplying x squared. So what next again? Here we have the x, but have ac, ab and bc, so we have ab plus bc plus ac, all multiplying x, and then the last part will get abc. So this is how we expand this product. Let me put it here. We see that we have shown that x plus a, x plus b, and then x plus c, if we multiply it out, we get x cubed. First, the power of x squared is gotten by adding the terms, and the power of x is gotten by still adding the a, b, c, but then we are taking two at a time, so we have a, b, b, c, and a, c. The power of x is 0 is gotten by multiplying at the a, b, c together, so we have a, b, c. First we are adding them, taking one at a time, so a, b, c. Next we are adding them, but we're taking two at a time. We'll form partial product of them, taking two at a time, so we'll get a, b, b, c. Then the next one will get the product completely. Let's investigate. If we change a to negative a, b to negative b, and c to negative c, we'll be having x minus a, x minus b, and then x minus c. Then this will give us x to the third power. There's a minus all through, so we have a minus a plus b plus c x squared. Then here will be, each of them will be positive because you have a, b, they are both negative, so that's product two at a time is all positive, so have a plus sign of ab plus bc plus ca. Then since we have an odd number of terms here, you have minus, no, of course here we have an x, then we have a minus a, b, c. That is how it should be. So this is how it will be if we have a negative, negative, negative throughout here. So likewise for the 4 variable case here, we can actually do the 4 variable case, but I will not complete it though. I'll just give you a hint on how we can do it. Suppose I have x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, and then x plus d for the 4 variable case here. First thing we have is x to the 4th power. Then we will have some term here for x to the 3rd power here. Now what we'll do is that, how do we form the x to the 3rd power? Here is how. We pick 3 x's here, like 1x here, 1x here, 1x here, 1x, sorry, 1x here, 1x here, 1x here. Then the one that will combine with the 3x is 1 term from here, so d. So obviously we can pick the 3x from this part and then combine with a. So we will be having a x cubed, d x cubed, b x cubed, c x cubed. So here will be a plus b plus c plus d when we collect like terms. Then what about for x squared? What will give us part for x squared? If I had to pick x squared, x has to be taken from here and here. We will no longer take x again because we have gotten the part of x cubed and s to the 4th power. Here we'll be taking b, c, d also. Here so we'll be taking ab and we'll be taking bc. So here we'll be having ab, bc plus cd. Like we have to get this 4 term a, b, c, d. Form the partial product taking 2 at a time. So you have ab, you can get ac, you can get ad, you can get bc. Just you take 2 at a time, but don't repeat the product. Of course, ab and ba are the same thing, so we cannot take ab and ba. So that's how we get here, and we can continue like that. You can just work it out for yourself. So that's how we expand this thing out. And if we expand, you notice that here we are, the next term here for power of x is one we take 3 at a time. Why? For the 0th power is just a, b, c, d, a, b, c, d. So that is how we can do for the 4 variable case. In the next video, we are going to work how we can do for n variable case and introduce the binomial theorem. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Have a nice day ahead.